So the head teacher called Albert and said, "I'm not going to punish you," the head teacher said to Albert's surprise, and said, "Your work is terrible and I'm not prepared to have you here any longer, Einstein. I want you to leave the school now." So the head teacher asked him to leave the school on his own. Albert also wanted the same. "Leave school now?" Albert repeated, dazed, very shocked. "That is what I said," head teacher said. "You mean," said Albert, "that I am to be expelled?" Albert is very shocked. Actually, he had himself managed to get that fake medical certificate and was going to leave school anyway. But here, the head teacher, he just gave his own, you can say, excuse or his own suggestion or recommendation to Albert to leave the school. Albert said, "Are you terminating me? Am I to be expelled?" "You can take it that way if you wish, Einstein," head teacher said. The head teacher was not mixing words. He was just straightforward. He said, "The simplest thing will be for you to go off your school own accord, and then the question won't arise." He said, "Leave school as per your own wish, and then the question won't arise." Question won't arise means if the school expels you, then you can't take admission anywhere else. You will have to give the clarification why you were expelled from that school. But if you leave school on your own, then there is no question. "But," said Albert, "what crime have I committed? Why are you expelling me?" Head teacher said, "Your presence in the classroom makes it impossible for the teacher to teach and for the other pupils to learn. You refuse to learn. You are in constant rebellion, oppose, and no serious work can be done while you are there. You are always argumentative." Albert felt that medical certificate almost burning a hole in his pocket. It is an important line. It means the medical certificate was getting useless in his pocket because he had made great efforts, much attempts to have that certificate, and now that certificate was useless because the head teacher was asking on his own to Einstein to leave the school. "I was going to leave anyway," he said. "Then we are in agreement at least, Einstein," the head said. The head teacher said, "So finally we are in agreement at something that you should leave the school." For the first time, Einstein and the head teacher were of the same opinion. For a moment, Albert was tempted to tell the man, the head teacher, what he thought of him and of his school. He just wanted to tell him. Then he stopped himself. Without another word, holding his head high, he stalked out. Albert walked out of the office. "Shut the door after you," shouted the head. The head was expecting Albert that he would apologize or he would request him to have him in the school, but Albert did not do anything like this. He just held his head high and went out. So the head teacher got angry and shouted, "Shut the door after you." Albert ignored him. He did not shut the door. He walked straight on out of the school where he had spent 5 miserable years, without turning his head to give it a last look. When you spend so much time at some place and you are going to leave it forever, it's human nature to look again and again at that thing. But Albert did not look back at the school. He could not think of anyone he wanted to say goodbye to. Indeed, Yuri was almost the only person in Munich he felt like seeing before he left the town he had come to hate almost as much as the school. So he hated this area too with his school, and only there was one person who was his friend, that was Yuri. Elsa was back in Berlin and he had no other real friends. "Goodbye and good luck," said Yuri when Albert left. "You are going to a wonderful country, I think. I hope you will be happier there." So it was the end of school life of Albert Einstein, and he then had a wonderful career in physics, as we all know. So school education, cramming, and all these things do not make a person or do not guarantee success. What guarantees success is your concept clarity and dedication. So learn this thing from Albert Einstein, see the video, and have a good day.